What is it, Kane? Are you an... What is it? What do you say? What? Yeah, but what else? What else is it? What do you say to everyone? What do you say? What does that mean, Pumpkin? What does that mean? Huh? Talk to Mommy. Talk to Mommy. What do you say, Pumpkin? Talk to Mommy. What does that mean in baby talk? What does that mean? Huh? What does that mean? Does that mean, hi everybody? What are you saying? What are you saying? Hi. What does that mean? What does that mean? Huh? Little pumpkin? Hi. Yeah? Yes? Alright. What do you say? You say hi? Hi, Bethy? You say hi, Coco? Hi, Mimi? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Bethy. Hi, Coco. Hi, Mimi. Hi. 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 Say see you soon. Say see you soon. Bye.